Have you ever looked inside your car and thought, how did it get this messy so fast? Well, today I'm testing a gadget that might save you from expensive detailing appointments. Before we jump in, make sure to check out the product link in the description below, and if you love discovering useful Amazon gadgets, hit that subscribe button because we've got a lot more coming your way. Today we're checking out the THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner. At first glance, it looks small, but honestly, that's what surprised me the most. This thing packs a powerful 106-watt motor that easily handles crumbs, dust, sand, and even stubborn pet hair. One feature I really appreciate is the 16-foot power cord. It plugs directly into your car's 12-volt outlet, so reaching every corner is actually easy. Plus, the included attachments help clean those annoying spaces between seats and under the dashboard. Now, is it a replacement for a full-size garage vacuum? No. But for everyday messes and quick cleanups, it's incredibly practical. The washable HEPA filter is another bonus because maintenance stays simple. If keeping your car clean always feels like a battle, this little gadget might be exactly what you've been missing.